G'day guys, another beautiful day down on the Tracky channel, and I just turned on the camera and for a particular site. It's a construction site, and it's developing so fast, and every week it's different. Basically, you enter the site and it's almost, you don't recognize it. Massive, and sometimes the beam is in a difficult position behind a pile of dirt, obstacles on the way. And the guys there are super kind, and obviously they know what they're doing, and they always give a hand, always help each other. So let's see today how we going to do with that. So let's go. Beautiful day. Weekend was great, and Saturday I was working, and after that you probably will see some videos. We went to Brisbane City, along the river where there is the artificial lagoon, the beach and the rainforest. It was awesome. We went on the ferry wheel, beautiful. Check some programs for the theater and the opera house there, amazing. Lots of shows, and really wanna go to see some of them. Love some live concerts and some good opera or theater. Right, let's go. And then today, well, today's Monday again, and like last week, we have to drop the truck for the second part of the major service, and so that means that I can go back home earlier, and as well I have a doctor appointment today, just a checkout. It's good to always perform some checks throughout the year, or I would say at least once a year. In aviation we have class 1 medical that we do every year. As well, it's good to do some perform some extra checks now and then. Preventing checks.